करना है। सर मैं तो 2 दिन पहले ज्वाइन किया था, सर मेरे को एग्जाम देना है क्या? सर मैंने 50 बार बोल लिया और मेरे को बोलना आता नहीं है, और आई डोंट नो हाउ टू से। सेकेंड थिंग, फ्रॉम टुडे व्हाट वी नीड टू स्टडी। मैंने आप लोग को ये जो मटेरियल दिया है, ये मटेरियल में मैंने ऑलरेडी सारा प्लान बना के दिया। मैं अभी रीड नहीं कर रहा हूं भाई। आई हैव गिवन दिस मटेरियल 2 times टू ऑल ऑफ यू। somebody has checked the mail, somebody not checked, कुछ नहीं कर सकते अभी, इस पे टाइम वेस्ट नहीं कर सकते। बट इन समरी आई एम टेलिंग अबाउट दिस, वी टेक केस स्टडी क्लासेस फॉर ईयर्स, नॉट नाउ, इट इज नॉट द फर्स्ट बैच, सिंस 2015, around 25 to 30 hour class, in which since 2020 they have made that core area A, B, C, D, E, 5 core areas are there, and the students would prepare on the basis of those core areas. So I discuss the core area A, B, C, D, E in generally approximately around 12 to 13 hours. 12 से 13 घंटे में मैं core area A, B, C, D, E डिस्कस करता हूं। मैनेजमेंट की स्टडी में भी मैंने किया, ऑपरेशनल में भी मैंने किया, और स्ट्रैटेजिक केस स्टडी में ऑल्सो आई विल डिस्कस कोर एरिया ए बी सी डी ई 12 to 14 hours. The pre-scene material discussion is around 2 to 3 hours. So around, you can say maximum 17 to 18 hours for covering all the core areas, pre-scene material discussion. Around 5 to 6 hour mock test. And you can say for doubts 1 hour, because still there can be personal doubts, specific doubts for any student, which we go on discussing. Last में भी जब क्लास होती है तो मैं doubts के लिए ही बैठता हूं कि if there is any doubt with somebody. So I teach like this 25 to 30 hour, and the pass percentage specifically in strategic case study is 80% plus. Those who are giving exams, 80% of the students are passing the exam. You will say that sir इसी टाइम पे नहीं हुआ तो अरे यार क्यों बात करें उठपटांग, जब ऑलरेडी आई एम सेइंग 7 years, you can understand I am a seasoned player, experienced, I know that how to teach, I know that how can I make you pass the exam, I know that how can make you confident by teaching this 25-30 hours. The success formula I know. Obviously if somebody studied well, couldn't pass, bad luck, 77, 78, that is no guarantee that if you give exam in February, 77, 78 will not come. If you think like that, you are totally in the wrong direction. So for that reason, I will teach 25 to 30 hour. And any subject, any course, not only ACCA case study, CIMA case study, any course, if a tutor is teaching you, say 10 hours, the student self-study is maximum 15 hours. Even student self-study should be less than 10 hours if he is devoting his time in the class properly, understanding the concepts very well. But say 10 के बदले 15 hour, 150%. So 25 to 30 hour, 150% will be coming around 40 to 45 hour self-study. So total time to study is 75 hour. आप बोलेंगे सर इतना में हो जाएगा? Believe me, if 75 hour में नहीं होगा तो 750 hour में भी नहीं होएगा. The study time for giving the case study exam including the classes is around 75 hour. How many days are left from today? If suppose exam is on 25th of November, 26th वैसे तो 25th, exactly 40 days, एक दिन का 2 घंटा भी नहीं. In a day, if you take on an average, it is not more than 2 hours. Normally, my experience with the strategic case study students are there. They are very serious. Most of them are very serious. It is not good experience in management level. But strategic level students in every batch after batch are very serious. Maybe they are senior level. They have reached to the senior level after, you can say हिंदी में बोलते हैं पापड़ बेल कर. They have gone to that level in the organization in their life after working hard. They know what is the importance of hard work. So generally they don't say that कि सर मैं homework नहीं कर पाऊंगा, I will not be able to submit the assignments. That problem does not arise with strategic case study student. Some are there out of 20, 1 or 2 student. I am saying that you need to submit the answer by Wednesday. He will message on Wednesday 10 o'clock. सर मेरे साथ तबीयत खराब था, मेरे को ये हो गया, सर ऑफिस में ये था, कैन आई सबमिट टुमारो? और नॉर्मली दैट स्टूडेंट विल नॉट सबमिट टुमारो ऑल्सो, बिकॉज व्हेन यू फेल्ड योर कमिटमेंट, दैट मीन्स यू फेल्ड in life. When you are operating at senior level, you know that in life only thing is important is commitment. तो आप मेरे को भी मैसेज नहीं करेंगे कि आई डिडंट गेट टाइम, दिवाली था, होली था, दे जो था भाई 2 घंटा कम सो ले यार. इफ वन डे यू स्लीप 2 hours लेस, कोई प्रॉब्लम है क्या? बट इन एवरेज 2 hours फ्रॉम टुडे, मे बी अप टिल नाउ यू वे आर नॉट स्टडिंग प्रॉपरली, maybe you did the classes, maybe you left the classes, basic वाला चीज, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. अभी से लेकर if you are very eager to give exam, you want to enjoy with your family, 22 hours is there for everything. 2 hours you give to Saraf Academy, 2 hours you give for your life, for regular study. When you study, your mobile phone should be switched off. Or you get up like me in the morning 3:30, 4 o'clock. There will not be any message. There will not be any disturbance. There will not be any family member telling you anything. You will be able to concentrate. Study means focused study. If you do focused study 2 hours, that is equivalent to 5 to 6 hours. Normally we professional person says that CA पास करने के लिए 10 घंटा 12 घंटा पढ़ते हैं. कोई क्लास में अभी भी बहस कर सकता है. Somebody can fight. मैं भी बोल सकता हूं I studied 12, 13, 14 hours. But effective. Sometime I am studying talking in phone. Sometime I am studying seeing TV. Sometime I am studying connecting with my family. वो study नहीं है. That is not counted as a study. Effective study, focused study is not possible more than 4 hours in a day. Not possible. वो संभव ही नहीं है. आप कुछ भी देख लेना, सोचना एक बार. You try in your mind, not possible. I am asking your effective commitment of every day 2 hours. The way I will be covering, I have written here कि मैं A और B कवर करूंगा, क्वेश्चंस दूंगा, you will be sending the answers, I will be mailing in the mail the time guideline given. Why? If suppose I said that you need to answer for this portion 2 question 3 question by Wednesday, आप मेरे को सैटरडे आंसर दे रहे हो और फिर सैटरडे को क्लास आप बोलोगे सर मेरा चेक नहीं किए. सर हम भी इंसान है यार, केवल आप ही नहीं है यार. इसीलिए तो आई एम नॉट टीचिंग ऑपरेशनल केस स्टडी, बिकॉज आई विल नॉट बी एबल टू मैनेज ऑल द 3 केस स्टडी इन वन टर्म. सबका आंसर चेक करना, उसको इवैल्यूएट करना, गाइड करना इज नॉट पॉसिबल. मे बी आरती एंड ऑल दैट मे बी हैड नॉट अंडरस्टूड एट दैट टाइम कि सर ऑपरेशनल पहले क्यों नहीं पढ़ाए. सर समझिए मैं भी इंसान हूं यार. आई एम ऑल्सो अंडरस्टैंडिंग 24 आवर में what I can do. So I cannot teach more than 2 case study at a time. So I have made a rule that I will be teaching operational case study in February, not in November. And in November I will be teaching management and strategic case study. So I mean to say that you need to follow the guidelines for the questions which I will be sending you. You cannot message me, you cannot request in mail, can I submit after 1 hour? Not allowed. I will not be able to check your answer. Plain and simple I am saying now. You will say, sir, you are very rude. Believe me, I am not rude here. If I have time, why I will not check? अभी क्या है कि मेरे को शाम को मान लीजिए कहीं जाना है. सी एग्जाम्पल, फैमिली वाला बोलेगा तुम यही करो. स्टाफ सब लोग, देयर आर डिफरेंट स्टेक होल्डर्स, एवरीबडी वांट्स देयर पाई. So for that reason we need to satisfy everybody, otherwise retaliation will come. So need to understand that if I am saying I cannot check, that means it's not that I don't want to check. I cannot check. If I am asking you to write the answer, and the student who will pass is only those students who will write the answer. When you write the answer, maybe you write wrong. You are writing wrong answer. I always say when a kid of 6 months, 8 months cannot stand up, cannot walk, cannot run, कितना बार वो गिरता है, and we see them, we holding him, but if he don't fall, he cannot stand up, he cannot run. गिरिए, write wrong, write illogical answers. When you write illogical answers, then automatically next time you will be able to write a better answer. अभी तक तो general classes में, in the general classes I was saying that, but nobody was hearing me. But now, from now onwards, if you don't hear, then it is not possible for me to take you to the pass level, to the finishing line. You have to write the answers. चाहे आपका बुखार हो, चाहे डेंगू हो, चाहे घर में कुछ हो गया, चाहे ऑफिस में माथा खराब कर रहा हो, कोई भी आप कोई एलाबाई हमें नहीं देंगे. मैं आपको नहीं दूंगा तो आप क्यों देंगे सर? वी आर प्रोफेशनल, बिहेव प्रोफेशनली. नो मैसेज, नथिंग, नो व्हाट्सएप. चुपचाप से काम करना है. बाय वॉट एवर मीन्स पॉसिबल you have to submit the answers. We will discuss all those question answers in the class. What can be the different possibility of the answers? We will discuss when you submit the answers, who has written good answer, who has written wrong answer, who has not doing properly. Not opening each answer, वो तो मैं पहले ही देख लूंगा. लेकिन in the class I will be discussing, Nirav has done this, Soman has done this, Aarti has done this. मैं सबका डिस्कस करूंगा. किसका अच्छा लगा, किसका खराब लगा, and I will share everybody's answer to all of you. Along with that, the model answer. The model answer is not written by me. Written by Kaplan, written by SEMA Institute, because I am the learning partner of SEMA. They are bound, they have a responsibility to share with me different types of materials. I am Kaplan, connected with Kaplan for 13-14 years. एक एक जन को जानता हूं. तो जो मटेरियल वो किसी को नहीं देते वो मेरे को देते हैं, which is not available for students, which is only tutor support. So it's not that I have written that answer, because if I will write also, I will not be able to write that much. I am accepting, because to write that level of answer, I need to work on single answer for 1 to 2 days. Need to refer so many things. हो सकता उससे भी but उतना टाइम कहां है यार? So there are resources given by them to me, which I will share with you. Don't take tension, it is such a high level. अरे भाई उसमें 10 पॉइंट है, 4 तो आप लिखोगे. Language cannot be same, comma, full stop and all that. That will be your write-up. If you are logical, we are going to discuss in the class. Here there is nothing wrong or right. My opinion is different, your opinion is different. For my opinion, I have my own logic. For your opinion, you have your own logic. We both are correct. My answer is different, your answer is different, but we both are correct. That is the case study exam. ACC, SBL and SEMA SCS. तो आप ये मत सोचो कि आंसर है. For that reason, in the general classes, what I am saying, if you find that you have written one answer, and then you were referring the model answer, and then you were thinking that I am writing totally different, they are writing totally different, and still you have a confusion that I am still right. आपको डर लग रहा है तो आप सबमिट करिए ना. आप केवल ये मत बोलिए सर मेरा आंसर चेक करिए. वो जनरल क्लासेस में आपके पास मॉडल आंसर ऑलरेडी रेडी है. यू चेक फ्रॉम द मॉडल आंसर, एनालाइज. इफ यू हैव प्रॉब्लम देन कम इन द क्लास. उसको सबमिट करने का जरूरत नहीं, लेकिन अभी सबमिट करना है, बिकॉज अब मैं आपको मॉडल आंसर पहले दूंगा ही नहीं. आप देखोगे कहां से. वी जनरली हैव द टेंडेंसी टू सी द मॉडल आंसर बिफोर राइटिंग द आंसर. अगर somebody, some of the materials or some question you have from the social media somewhere, my request, don't see the model answer. Be genuine in writing your answers. Second thing, for coming 15 days, when you will be writing the answers, you can refer any material. You can refer my class slides. You can refer ACC, SBL material. You can refer SEMA material. You can refer Google. Matlab, if something I am asking, and suppose you don't know anything, you studied earlier, you forgot, or maybe Aarti never studied that, आप उस चीज का रिसर्च करके आंसर लिखिए. लेकिन if you are reading suppose from this material, don't copy paste this in your answer. You read this and then write in your own language, because this 15 days is study days. Whatever we don't know, we need to study. We need to cover up our basic knowledge by application of this pre-seen material. तो जब ऐसा करेंगे तो ACCA, SBL student भी, when they in the exam they will be getting the material, they will understand how to correlate the technical areas with the practicality, with the case study, because that they need to do by sitting in exam. I can't tell them now because I don't know what will be the industry, what will be the case study. तो ये तो आपको वो हेल्प कर रहा है. और 360 डिग्री क्वेश्चन 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 क्वेश्चन. तो जब आप ACC SBL एग्जाम देंगे आप 80 नंबर लाएंगे, 50 का तो टेंशन ही नहीं होएगा. लेकिन इफ यू थिंक दिस इज रेलेवेंट फॉर मी, देन आई डोंट हैव वर्ड्स नाउ. कि इट इज रेलिवेंट फॉर यू और नॉट। में आपको ये समझना है, इफ यू आर पासिंग बेनिफिट फॉर मी, आपको कम है। आई विल से टू द इंस्टीट्यूट स्कोर्ड 80, माई स्टूडेंट स्कोर्ड 80, वर्ल्ड रैंक 1, आपको फायदा बहुत कम है यार, मेरे को आपसे ज्यादा है। सो वी कैनॉट हैव अ टू डिफरेंट रास्ता, टू डिफरेंट पाथ। वी हैव टू वॉक ऑन द सेम पाथ। वी नीड टू एग्री विथ ईच अदर। यू नीड टू ब्रिंग ट्रस्ट ऑन मी, पुट ट्रस्ट ऑन मी, एंड आई नीड टू पुट ट्रस्ट ऑन यू। अगर हम लोग एक दूसरे से ट्रस्ट नहीं रखेंगे, then in that case there is no possibility of that I can help you or you can help me. So एक एक चीज whatever we are studying is relevant for ACC SBL student. So whatever questions I will be giving, the schedule is already written here. You need to write the answers. I will be mentioning in the mail that you need to write the answer by this time, and I will be always saying that you can refer anything. आपको वो चीज आती है नहीं आती है। Suppose you have studied pestle model, but you are not able to write pestle model. I have asked in the question. आप फिर से रीड कर लीजिए pestle model. तो जब कोई चीज, if you have studied something and you are reading it, नहीं स्टडी की रीड कर लो ना यार, कौन मना किया है? Then write the answer. So don't say that I don't know, and don't message me, sir what will be the answer for this. मैं क्लास में आऊंगा, मैं एकदम लेंथ में डिस्कस करूंगा कि इसका क्या क्या पर्सपेक्टिव हो सकता है। एंड बिलीव मी, since it is not something which is 2 plus 2 4, there are so many times that it happens that students are giving a better logic than me in the class. When we discuss, then in that case we come with a greater knowledge, greater explanation as compared to what is written in the model answers. So it is not that something that I will only say. We all will discuss the things, understand the things, कि यहां पर इसका बेस्ट सॉल्यूशन क्या हो सकता है, why this cannot be the answer, that we will discuss. So that's the second thing, कि student has to write the answers, has to fulfill the commitments for coming 15 days. There is nothing that कि आपको आंसर लिखना है without referring anything. You refer everything whatever you like. जो आपको रेफर करना है करिए, and never think in your mind, आ रहे हैं यार, आते हैं। Now, the next thing is that, 1 second.